What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's the day that we're gonna pour the concrete in this footer up here at the river house. The inspector came this morning, passed everything with flying colors, said this is one of the best, cleanest footers that he's seen in the area out here, thanks to my boy Dylan over here and Alex and their machines. But we've got Spencer concrete pump truck out here today, and we're waiting on Bradley Concrete to roll up right now. They're gonna pour the concrete in the back of there. He's gonna take those hoses, run them off the edge so that they can easily put concrete down in those footers, because there's no way we could get a truck off of there. Too dangerous, too stupid of an idea. It's better to go ahead and pay a little extra money for the pump truck and do it the right way. So let's go down here and let's check out this truck. This is the hopper right here. This is where they're gonna actually pour the concrete. You can see down in there, and it's gonna go through here. I don't know what all it does. They got this big diesel engine right here that they'll fire up, and it's gonna pump it through these hoses right here and go over the edge into that footer. As soon as the concrete truck gets here, we'll give you a more in-depth look of how this thing's gonna work. Bradley Concrete just pulled up, backed up in here. Hayden's up here getting the pump truck ready right now. We got all the hoses laid out. We're underway. Hayden's about to pump this bulkhead first right here with some thicker concrete before we wet it down a little bit to flow out in this footer here. So we got a few more bulkheads right here to fill, and you may be asking, how is he running that truck right there? Well, if you notice right there on his belt, he's got a remote control, and he can push those buttons and it remotely activates the pump up there on the truck to make it pump or stop pumping, so that you don't have to have another man up there. Got my guys down here pumping the basement footer right now. Let me spin around and show you. We've got all the footer on the upper section with the crawl space done. Started down here at the end where the retaining wall is gonna daylight out to the flat part out there toward the river. And they're gonna bring all this back. You see this turn right here? That's the back wall of the house right there. That'll be framed in with lumber, and then coming all the way down through here, going all the way across. Those are gonna be our poured concrete walls, and then we'll bring our block layers in and lay block on all the crawl space section right here. We just got truck number 3 pulled up the driveway. Got about 8 yards on this truck. It's gonna total up this footer for about 38 yards of concrete. I think we got somewhere around 500 linear feet of footer. Not sure till we do the final roll off on it, but they're setting up right now. Start dumping in this pump truck. Get Hunter and Hayden back down here. We're gonna get them to finish off the rest of this footer right here, and then we'll call it a wrap for the day. Let this dry out. Dylan's gonna come back in here, move all this dirt out of the way, get this basement level, possibly sprinkle some gravel in here.
Definitely dead now.
What's that?
Brand new pants.
Oh. Alex just stepped in the footer for some reason. We know we need a little bit more concrete in there. I guess he thought he was gonna fill it with his foot. Brand new pants, brand new work pants, ruined his boots. We just got done pouring out this footer, and Hayden here is about to put a foam ball inside this pump right here to clean it out. They got a compressor up there. This compressor is gonna pump air into here, and it's gonna blow this ball all the way through the tube and blow all the concrete out of the end of it, and that's how they clean that pump. Then they'll dump the bottom trap door down here and clean that out. But let's run down to the end of the pump and see this thing shoot. So here's the end of the pump line right here where the foam ball is gonna come out. They're gonna blow all that extra concrete out of there.
It'll splat too. Got it?
Yeah.
I'll cut it off.
You want like at the camera or at the river? Hold up.
That's all I got for you guys today. I appreciate you watching the video. Go down there, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video.